CW Service Pros. They are your go-to local crew for all things pipes, vents, and filters. Karen, thanks for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me, Tiffany.
We just came off a crazy spring with all the rain and pollen. I don't know about you, but my allergies are still screaming. So what should homeowners know about indoor air quality?
Here in North Texas, we have a lot of rain and a lot of pollen, as you know, in the season. It means a lot of mold and dust and everything in your ductworks.
So
what you can do is you can actually have your vents cleaned, you can have your air ducts cleaned, as well as anything with the air scrubbers.
I checked out the air scrubber. It is the coolest thing ever.
Exactly. I love them.
I gotta say, I love the term air scrubber. I was thinking of like all these little Pac-Mans just kind of like gobbling up all the bad stuff in the air. How big a difference can homeowners actually tell after this?
It's a huge difference. Don't have to dust as much.
Yeah,
I don't get
nice.
sick as much. And I hear the same thing from our customers all the time.
If you know me, I am all about wellness. So this means that you can avoid those harsh chemicals, the cleaning products that really disrupt the endocrine system and kind of wreak havoc on hormones that cause all kinds of other issues.
Exactly. You don't have to have those chemicals in your house. You can use these to actually keep your home clean. It gets rid of all your molds, allergies, your dust in the air. It'll actually sink the dust down so you can vacuum it right up and you're done with it.
Wow. So I love this because everyone's, we're talking about the toxin bucket load. This will help keep everybody's low.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
definitely.
So good.
Definitely, and it helps your inflammation.
This is super cool because it not only cleans the air, but it cleans the surfaces too.
Exactly. When you have your unit flowing, as the air flows through it, it actually disperses into your environment. Cleans off on the surfaces, it takes all the dust down, it takes the particles out of the air. It actually takes all of your mold, fungus, everything and kills it.
Just thinking about it, I'm like, I'm breathing better. I'm breathing better.